Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY Boomboxes in Texas. My name is Phil, your host, and welcome to our Saturday night jam session. All right, haven't done this in a while. Anyway, look what we have here. I have a beautiful, it's beautiful, 50 caliber ammunition box. And of course, it's Corvette themed, red. I made this one to match the gentleman's car. He has a very beautiful Corvette. And he has the black wheels, so we do the speaker grills to match the black. And this is the GM red that he has on his. I can't remember the name of the color. I'd have to look at the paint can. But GM makes these matching paints that you can get. And this one's pretty close to the color. Of course, we have our amp controls right here, the word Corvette. Now, this gentleman here wanted some lights, so we have an extra switch for the lights. And, of course, here's our USB charger and a voltage gauge. And we have some lights right there. Let me go and turn these on. You can see there. And we have some lights on the back with our Corvette logo. And some more lights there. And of course our charging port right there for the battery. And I think it looks pretty cool. And here's how you turn it on. And we're going to go ahead and crank this up. Now I'm going to play a different song. This is a cover of an Iron Maiden song called Stranger in a Strange Land. But it was done by a band called The Walkmen. And they have a lady singer, lead singer, and a lady drummer who's really good. And I think they did a really excellent job of covering this song. Let me turn the lights down a little bit. You can see what the lights look like there. Really cool. So let me go ahead and crank this up, and let's see what it sounds like. Oh, now it's not going to play. Oh, goodness. Come on, play. Anyway, Duke's right here. I'll see if I can get Duke to come in a minute.
I was a young man full of hope and dreams, but now it seems to me that all is lost and nothing gained. Sometimes things ain't what they seem. No brave new world, no brave new world, no brave new world, no brave new world. Night and day is rise up, see the sky. The speed wanders endlessly until the day we're down and fled from home. Discover why. Hear me calling, rescue me, set me free, set me free. Lost in this place and leave no trace. Stranger in a strange land, land of ice and snow, trapped inside this prison here, left them far from home. 100 years have gone, and many came, they came that way to find the answer to the mystery. They found his body lying where it fell that day, preserved in time for all to see. No brave new world, no brave new world, lost in this place and leave no trace. What became of the man that started all our cold and the souls departed? Let me hear in the inside this prison. Lost the vibe from home.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is, the awesome sounding Corvette box. These things, now these are only 4-inch speakers on these boxes. This is actually the most popular size I sell. This is a 50 caliber, and let me tell you, these boxes are loud. I only had the volume not even halfway up. These things jam. I mean, they're pushing 100 watts, which may not sound like a lot. Yeah, when you're talking about a car stereo or something, but a little box like this pushing 100 watts, this is going to be louder than a lot of the Bluetooth speakers you can buy on the market. And so much more cooler. Or more cool, I guess I should say. I'm trying to get my English right. Let me see if I can get Duke over here real quick. Give me just a second here. Come on, Duke. The public awaits. I know we didn't get Duke in the last video, so here's Mr. Duke for you Duke fans. Duke's having a good day. It's Saturday, of course, our Saturday night jam session. And we got a lot going on right now. Got a lot of projects going on, a lot of projects coming up. So I'm hoping to put another video out today or tomorrow. Got another Corvette box I'm working on, actually 2 more. But another one I got to wait because I've got some special decals coming for it. And another cooler I'm working on. So got a lot going on. Got some other orders coming in, so things are getting busy. So if you want to order one yourself, just send me an email or send me a message, or I'll send you my email. Or you can find me on Facebook at Custom Bluetooth Speakers and Custom Boom Boxes and Bluetooth Speakers made in Texas. Right, Duke? Or if you send me a message or send me a comment on this video and you want my email, I'll give you my email. We can talk. I've had several people got boxes. I got a jerry can in the other day with a beautiful patina that a gentleman wants me to do and paint the speakers to match. So we're going to be doing that in the next couple of weeks. And so we got some awesome projects coming on. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Mr. Duke says hello. And we got to get going. So y'all have a great day. Great night. See you next time.